The question says, of 750 participants in a meeting, 450 are females. So I'm going to denote total number of participants by n, which is 750 in this case. And I will denote total number of female with f, which is 450 in this case. Now they haven't given what is the total number of male, but it is easy to find out. So let me denote total number of male by m. The total number of male will be total number of female subtracted from total number of participants. So 750 minus 450, which is 300. Okay, then the question goes on to say that half of the female and 1/4 of male participants are less than 30-year-old. So 1/2 of female plus 1/4 of male are less than 30 years old. So this quantity will be 1/2 of f, or the number of female, which is 450, plus 1/4 of m, which is number of male, equal to 300. Solving this will give me 225 plus 75 equal to 300. Now, if one of the participants is randomly selected to receive a prize, what is the probability that the person will be less than 30 years old? So we need to find the probability that a randomly selected person, which in this case, just for sake of it, I am denoting with x. So the probability that x, a randomly selected person, is less than 30-year-old. What is going to be that probability? So we know that to find the probability of an outcome and a specific outcome, we need to find the number of favorable outcome, and divide by total number of outcomes. Okay, so then in this case, the probability that a randomly selected person is less than 30 years old is equal to number of favorable outcome. In this case is 1/2 of female population plus 1/4 of male population, which we solved as equal to 300. And we know that the total number of outcomes is equal to the total number of participants, which in this case is equal to 750. Now solving this will give me, this is going to be 2 by 5, okay, will give me 2 by 5. So the probability is 2 by 5, and among these options we have D as the correct answer.